Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and change theme on any Itel phone. Let's begin! Now for this, we won't be actually going into the settings themselves, but instead we're going to Official Theme and, I think by default, Installed Application. So let's go to the theme. And here we have a bunch of different options to choose from. We can go to the Theme tab in order to see only themes. Though be careful, as some of these themes aren't actually themes. For example, the Cool Beasts. If we go to More, we'll see that almost all they change is only the wallpaper itself, and most of them have the same icons. Of course, there are exceptions, like this cat one, Immortality, which does change the icons a little bit, though it's nothing too crazy. So I will choose something maybe not as edgy as Cool Beasts. I was actually looking, I left the application. This retro newspaper is looking pretty nice, so I will install it. In order to do that, we simply hit download at the bottom. But we need to have an Itel OS launcher with Itel ID. Luckily, we can sign in with Google, though we have to agree to the privacy policy and user agreement. We hit open, and here, we are now logged in via our Google account. Of course, you can just log in via your Itel account or Itel ID if you have one. Now you want to hit download, and after it's downloaded, we want to hit apply. And after a while, we can see that our installation is successful, and now we have a nice looking theme on our new Itel phone. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.